By default, a dialog gets displayed and gets closed without any animation effect. As you see here, it gets displayed or gets closed without any animation effect. But you can add animation to the hiding and showing of dialog using hide and show options. We have already discussed this hide and show options in the tabs widget section. Still, let's see those two options again. For hide and show, you can have 4 values: boolean, number, string, or object. So let's try first with boolean, that is true or false. Let me set true for both hide and show, which means the basic animation effect will be applied with default duration and default easing. So save, refresh. See, there is some kind of animation happening. See, now you can also set a number or the duration in milliseconds as the value for hide and show. Let me set 3000 for both hide and show. Save, refresh. See, it takes some time to get displayed. Let me close this. Again, it takes 3 seconds for the dialog to get closed. So you can have a number as well for the hide and show options. Then the third one is a string. You can specify an effect, that is a jQueryUI effect, as the value of hide and show. So for hide, let me specify fold, and for show, let me specify pulsate. We will be discussing different jQueryUI effects in a following section. For the time being, you can see the effects at this website api.jQueryUI.com/categories/effects. So these are the different effects offered by jQueryUI, and here I have selected fold for the hide and pulsate for show. So let's see the difference now. Refresh. See, it is pulsating and getting displayed. Let me try to close this. It is having a fold effect. So you can add an effect to the hiding and showing of dialog by specifying the effect's name. Then finally, you can specify it as an object as well. In the object, you can specify the duration, easing, effect as well as a delay. So suppose I want to make hide as pulsate, show as fold, and I want to add some duration to this show effect. So I need to specify it within curly braces, and the name of the key is effect. It is fold, and let me specify a duration of 3000. Okay, and let's see the difference. Refresh. See, it is getting folded in 3 seconds and got displayed. If you want, you can even add a delay using the delay keyword. Let me add a delay of 1 second and see the difference. Refresh. See, there is a delay of 1 second, and then in 3 seconds the fold effect is applied and the dialog appeared. Again, for this as well, you can make it an object. Okay, this is the effect. You can even specify the easing. Easing specifies the speed at which the animation should happen, and you could find different easings at this address api.jQueryUI.com/easings, and let me specify the easing as swing. So easing, swing. Let me also add a duration of 3 seconds, that is 3000 milliseconds. Save, refresh. See, displayed. Let me close this. It is having pulsate effect of 3 seconds and the speed is swing. Okay, so like this you can add some animation effects to the hiding and showing of dialogues. You can set 4 types of values for hide and show options, and they are boolean, that is true or false; number, that is the duration in milliseconds; string, that is the name of the effect to be applied; and an object for which you can have 4 values: effect, duration, easing and delay. So you can try different combinations for easing, effect, duration as well as delay to have different animation effects. And if you do not specify any value, default values will be taken. For example, if you do not specify any duration, the animation will happen in default time settings. So using hide and show options, you can animate the hiding and showing of your dialog.